All right, guys, last video for today. We're going to look at when they give us the end time, and we know how long the movie was, but we don't know what time we started the movie. So let's write down the information that we know for this. So let's say that our end time, as in the time that the movie was over, was 3:10. So the movie ended at 3:10. And the duration, which is, remember, another way of saying elapsed time, how long it lasted, the duration of the movie was 2 hours and 5 minutes. So that's how long the movie was. But we want to know, based off of this information, when did the movie start? And this one I think is going to be one of the trickier ones. It's going to require a little bit more practice, but you're going to get a lot of practice over the next couple of weeks with this. But basically it's the same thing, it's just that you're hopping backwards, right? We know the end time is always at the end of our number line. So when we put 3:10 on the number line, we want to put it at the end, right? We're going to be hopping backwards from 3:10. We're going to be hopping back. It's like you're hopping in a time machine and you're going back in time 2 hours and 5 minutes ago to see when this movie must have started. So we can hop our hours first, right? If we're at 3:10 and we hop back 1 hour, we're hopping back 1 hour. Well, an hour before 3:10, it was 2:10, right? Because 2 comes right before 3. So we're at 2:10 now, but we want to hop back 2 hours. So we're going to hop back again another hour to, well, what comes right before 2:10? What hour comes right before 2? Well, 1. And our minutes stay the same because we're just hopping hours, not minutes. So we're at 1:10. Last thing we want to do is we want to hop back our minutes. And this is only 5 minutes. So I'm going to hop that all at once. If I hop back 5 minutes from 1:10, well, I can count back from 1:10 5 minutes. So it'll be 1:09, 1:08, 1:07, 1:06, 1:05, right? Or we know that 10 minus 5 is 5, so the 1:05 would have been the time that our movie started. And I can test that out by adding it back up just to make sure that I get to 3:10. Right? If I'm at 1:05 and I add 5 minutes, I get to 1:10. If I hop another hour, I get to 2:10. And if I hop another hour, I get to 3:10. And that's the correct amount of elapsed time, 2 hours and 5 minutes. So it's the same way as when we knew the start time and the duration. It's just that now we're going backwards to see what the start time was because they gave us our end time. Okay? All right.